All right. All right. So today we had some fun in blurring the lines between the command line and observable in the browser. We kind of got started with what we left off with last stream, where we had pulled together a bunch of commit data in a nice structured way and done a basic visualization. And this was all for a D3 community initiative, the D3 Parade we're helping out. But this time we wanted to, instead of running the git command that we had run and writing a bunch of node scripts, which we had figured out how to write in observable and copy pasted the processing out, use observable pre-render that Alex, who's joined us here, has made so that we could directly run the processing in the notebook on the command line. So like we figured out a series of commands where we run our git command. It generates a raw text file. We run observable pre-render on this notebook, and replace the text file that's in the notebook with whatever the local version is that we give in the command line, right? So we run it on a different Git repo, for example, Vega Lite instead of D3. And then we even made a couple notebooks. I forgot to open this one. We took the D3 one and we made it more generic. So like this takes any repo's structured commits from that other notebook and visualizes all the author commits in this way. So this command actually will create that PNG. And so like we'll see that here.
So basically it's a whole pipeline for like any repo. You can run these commands and you get the Git history, it formats it in the right way, and then we got a few different cool visualizations out of it, right?
Exactly. So like we have our raw knife SV, the file format we came up with last stream. We convert that to JSON with the notebook from the command line in one command. And then we generate the PNG for that with another command. And then that was all fun. And then EJ brought up the idea, I want to see a stream graph of accumulated commits over time. And so we took the data, we started with the Vega Lite, this is the top 100 authors, and visualized the stream graph, using the D3 example. Took us a bit to figure out how to, properly chop our data in the right format and get the temperature right and stuff, but we got it. And then we were able to run that as a command as well, so we could see, for example, like the D3 repo, or all the D3 modules. Like this is Mike Bostock.
Right.
Carrying D3, and then, but in recent time, there's been some new contributors piling on, which is great.